Hello Techstars, today I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp channel. WhatsApp channel is a very lucrative way of making money through social media. You can promote brands and get paid through affiliate links or other options. Let's get started. Okay, click on the WhatsApp icon. Now, click on this button under updates. There are so many tabs here, but just click it under updates. Now, click on the plus sign, create channel. Okay, choose your channel name. Let's say Techrack. Okay, choose a photo for your channel. It can be anything, but let's go with emoji. Think I love this emoji. We'll choose it. Describe the channel. The channel offers educative content regarding technology and social media. Create the channel. Okay, good. We've already created the channel and we can make our first post. Let's say, hello guys, welcome to this awesome channel. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you guys.